Hi, this video will instruct you how to create a peony bud using template 16 mini flower. So to style the sepal, you're going to roll in a circular motion from the top of the petal towards the center with your metal ball stylus on a flower shaping mat. And you're going to go all the way around the petal. For the three petals at 3 inches wide, you're going to cut in between each petal towards the center with a pair of precision scissors. It's just a slight little cut. You're going to roll the center with your metal ball stylus, and then starting from the top of each individual petal in a circular motion, you roll from the top towards the center. It's going to lift and curl those petals up, as you can see here in the video. You're going to continue to do that for all 3 layers of petal 3. This is going to be the very inside of your peony flower, so you do want it closed up. And since it's only 6 layers, we're going to have a smaller peony bud. So you can see it's super closed up. We're going to continue that with our second petal of petal 3. Again, using your metal ball stylus, roll in a circular motion from the top towards the center down each individual petal. And don't forget to roll the center with your metal ball stylus right in the very center then. And that's going to curl up those petals. And then for your third petal of petal 3, again, using that same technique, use your metal ball stylus to roll from the top of the petal to the center in a circular motion on your flower shaping mat. If you do need any paper flower tools, I do offer them in my Etsy shop. They can be purchased individually or as part of a paper flower tool starter kit. All the sizes for this flower are located at the beginning of this video and also linked in the description below to my PhotoFab Paper Flower Makers group on Facebook. So we're almost done with our styling of our first 3 petals of petal 3. And we're going to go to petal 1, and they're also 3 inches wide. We're going to use our 20 millimeter peony half sphere mold. You're going to press the petal into the 20 millimeter mold and then stir it with your metal ball stylus in a circular motion. And that petal is going to take the shape of that half sphere. Okay, you're just going to rotate it, press it in with your thumb, and then stir it with your metal ball stylus tool. Okay, be sure to roll the center of the petal on your metal ball with your metal ball stylus on the flower shaping mat. So when we create a peony, we start from the very center. So you're going to take one of the petal 3s, Add glue to the bottom and a little bit around the edges. You're going to take another petal 3 and you're going to glue that petal in there, looking at one of the side petals and gluing it in between the petals that you're gluing it into. I know it's hard to explain. Add some glue on the bottom and then glue it into the third petal 3. Open it up and you're looking at a side petal and making sure that petal falls in between those petals. Fold it up and around, squeeze the bottom a little bit. Now we're going to attach petal number 1. Add some glue to the bottom of your flower, and now from the back side you're going to place that petal in between the previous layer's petals. Fold it up and around to double check it doesn't get off center. And then we're going to keep attaching the last 2 petals from the back side. So you add your glue right in the center. And this helps you keep it aligned a lot easier. So now you look at your top 2 petals and place that petal in between. So it's giving it a nice round shape. Okay. Add your glue. Attach the last petal number 1 to the back in between those top 2 layer petals. So I look at one of my petals and make sure it falls right in between. Press it down and then I flip it over just to make sure everything's aligned. For your sepal, which is our petal number 2, in the center you're going to add some glue and then add a little bit of glue out from the center on each petal, and that's going to help keep your peony bud closed up. Okay. Flip your flower over and attach that sepal in between layer 1's or the last layer's petals. And there you have a much smaller peony bud that will complement the larger one we made with template 16. Thank you for watching.